Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to be learning how to pick a lock with a credit card. You've seen that on TV, right? Let's see if that actually works. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So, I actually have a video on how to pick pretty much any internal door lock with paper clips. But this time, if you have an old credit card that you don't need, you better make sure you don't need it, because once you use it, this thing is gone. You're gonna mess up the magnetic strip. So what we're looking at right here is a combination deadbolt, which is this piece right here. You're not gonna be able to pick the deadbolt with a credit card, but this one, the bottom one, you can. Now watch what happens. I'm unlocking the bottom portion, and you can see the bottom portion opens up like that. It's slanted in, it curves in just like that. So I'm going to lock it, and you can see that the bottom portion does not move. So right now it is locked. I have the standard old credit card. Start from the top. And there it is. Did it one-handed with the other hand holding the camera. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, leave it down below. Other than that, y'all have a great day.